Welcome to Solutions Studio. This is a free series on C programming language. If you like these videos, please subscribe to follow along with this series. Also, please like and leave a comment and share the video to help spread this series. To demonstrate the random function, we will go and develop a program that will simulate 10 rolls of a 6-sided die and print each roll's value. So let's go and get started. Let's go and run our program. As you can see here, we divided the random number that was generated by rand, we divided it by 6 and we got the remainder. Now the numbers that are going to be generated, it's going to be between 0 and 5. And that's why we added a 1 to these 0 to 5 numbers so that we get a range of 1 to 6. And this technique is called scaling. That is to divide the random function by a value and get the remainder, so that we have our own range of desired numbers. Stay tuned as we go into more details of this program in the coming episodes.